This time on the Power Shift, we're going to Irwindale Speedway, Raceway, Dragway, whatever you want to call it. It's over here. It's about 40 miles from my house. It is my home track. It's 8th mile. We just came back from Vegas, and I'm curious to see what the altitude difference is. We went a 5:30 at 136 in Vegas, and the track prep was halfway decent. It wasn't great, but it wasn't awful either. So, but Irwindale, it's a Thursday night test and tune. I'm hoping to go faster. I'm hoping to learn a little bit more because that's what, like the mode I'm in right now. I'm trying to break into the 7s. That's my first goal. But the second goal is to go 4s in the 8th. I'm pretty far away from that. So tonight I'm hoping to change that. So at Vegas, my slicks were 5 years old. So I changed the slicks. I went over the car. Everything looks good. It's got brand new tire on it. So hopefully here at Irwindale, the difference in altitude and the brand new tire, hopefully it'll work real well and it'll go its new personal best and get me closer to that 5:15, which would be a 7-second quarter-mile pass, or even better, get it into the 4s, which is proving to be almost impossible. But right now we're at 20 pounds of boost, which is not a lot of boost. And I'm kind of still working on the 60-foot, and the goal is to move to 30 pounds before we go to drag week. Drag week is right around the corner. Hopefully we can improve upon our ET incrementally and get closer to our goal, which is to run Pro Street Power Adder, which there's some heavy hitters in that category that run low 7s at any track. So the goal is to go like 470s eventually. I don't know if I can get there from here with this engine combination, but we're gonna try. Anyways, follow along. All right, bottom of the car was so covered in oil that I had to just give it the purple power and then rinse it with a hose, which is fun. Makes a mess. We'll wipe it down, put the tires on, put a little motor oil in it, and we are good to go. That was the first pass. It went at 5:29, 134 and a half. We're in line to make another run. I think this is it for the night. It turned the tire really hard while wheeling, oddly enough. But it hooked halfway decent for about 2/10, and then I think it hit the wheelie bars too hard. So we tightened up the front end and put the ramp a little more crazy. So that's our plan. We're gonna make one more run at it. The track's not real good, but it did go down, and it did go as fast as it's ever gone, which is really cool. So probably 2 runs for tonight, maybe 3. We'll see. at Irwindale. It looks a little different because we're here again the next week because I got here so late last week. But we got 3 runs in last time. We're gonna do hopefully more runs this time. We're about to hit tech. We're actually here right as racing started, which is rare for us. Anyways. So last run, it left, and then when I pulled second, it just got on the limiter and it wouldn't get off. I pulled third, it went into third, and then I decided to pass this junk, threw it away. So I let off, pulled into the first turn off, and I was in high gear, and I put it in low to go up to the timing guy, and it stopped. And I put it in neutral and it backed up. So the trans brake solenoid is stuck on. I don't know if it's electronic or if it's mechanical. So we're gonna check the basics real quick, make sure that it's not an electrical issue. If it's a solenoid issue, it's gonna be inside the trans. We're gonna have to pull the pan and have a look at it. So that's pretty much where we're at. Because the solenoid is clicking, something internally is going on. Because it's not all the way on, it's partially on. Because when I put it in low gear, like this, yeah, it will creep forward if I give it throttle. Like I can drive through it, which means that it's bleeding by or something. Okay. So that means it's not electric. So up on. That's it for this video. First trip was pretty successful, 3 good runs or decent runs, and then second trip ended up breaking the trans on the first run. The second gear band got out of adjustment and ended up burning up the drum and actually deforming the drum. So new trans is in order, different gear ratios, and we're gonna go get back at it and see if we can't go faster. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.